What type of drones did Ukraine use in the recent attack on Moscow's refinery? The answer reveals a surprising blend of technology and strategy that changed modern warfare. In the recent attack on Moscow's refinery, Ukraine primarily used modified Soviet-era drones like the Tu-143, combined with commercial off-the-shelf drones, such as DJI models. These drones were retrofitted with explosives or surveillance gear, making them effective for precision strikes. The blend of legacy military tech and affordable commercial drones highlights Ukraine's innovative approach to overcoming resource constraints. Using drones allowed Ukraine to bypass Moscow's heavy air defense systems. These small, low-flying drones are harder to detect and intercept compared to conventional aircraft. Their precision targeting capability enabled Ukraine to strike vital refinery infrastructure with minimal collateral damage. This tactic proved both cost-effective and strategically disruptive. This drone strike underscores a seismic shift in modern warfare. Even smaller or resource-limited forces can inflict major damage on powerful adversaries by leveraging drone technology creatively. The attack on Moscow's refinery sent a clear message. The future battlefield favors those who master drones, regardless of their traditional military strength. The drones Ukraine used in the Moscow refinery attack are a testament to how innovation and strategy can redefine conflict. From repurposed Soviet models to commercial drones, technology allowed a small force to challenge a global power. For more surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and join us daily here on Daily Q&A.